How to share pin location on Messenger. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can do it. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to your Messenger app. Also make sure that you are logged into your account. Now go ahead and tap on any chat that you would like. And here tap on the plus icon just beside your camera on your bottom left. Here go to location. Now you have to access Messenger to your location. Tap on allow location access. Tap on allow again. Now it will ask you to start sharing live location for 60 minutes. Tap onto it. Now if you don't find your specific location, you can zoom in the screen and just pin it. And as you do so, you will see this you have just shared your pinned location. And that is how you can do it. That is all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will catch you up in our next upload. In the meantime, do like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss an update from us.